Hello, hello, hello! Today I bring you to accompany me to a wonderful place with a wonderful person. Before I will tell you that I was apathetic to this thing of love. But some years time they make us eat our things. I will give you a small review of the place and my favorite person. It is a place that I adore and that I love science in this. I feel full. I love everything that is of nature, and my boyfriend also thinks I will win. I live one day and I will tell you how wonderful this tour was. Mainly, it is in Aguas Casanare. From my house to this beautiful place, we have more or less 2 words on the road, but it is completely worth it. Let's start with the first thing, and that is that Bill Servant loved romance, but did not believe in it. This wonderful bank arrived in such a way sudden without even warning, and that is what encouraged me. And it is that mirroring the marvel of this place with the marvel of this man. I can say that he is perfect. This place lets you see the beauty of the plain, and it is that I clearly adore being from here. I am proud of the sunset and the landscapes that we can appreciate. We had a spectacular view in the company of one of my favorite people. With this, I just want to say that people arrive when we are ready, not when we want. I invite you to love in peace and enjoy with patience. I love you. Bye. Bye bye.